Michelin?
Yes. You know who you look like?
The father of the twins in Capitani and the bad guy in Superjump, right?
No. The cop in Direktioun. You look exactly like him.
If you say so.
Shut up! This is a hold-up. We are all happy when it is over. We, the gangsters, and you, the clients.
Did they give you something to bring along?
What do you mean?
The object, for the Grand-Duc.
What are I talking about?
Did they not give you anything?
No.
It's a catastrophe, that. Never mind, it's okay. It's my problem.
Tu dois faire comme ça. Tu dois faire comme ça. Sinon, à cause du rocksteuse. Tu comprends? Tu tombes sur le cul, sinon. C'est là.
C'est sérieux?
Tu comprends? Et puis, tu dis... Anders zie je het kees op aan klakken eruit.
Please slow down.
Pardon.
Where's everybody?
Oh, they'll be here soon.
Good luck with your object.